Yes, viewers, we visited the Iweka Road, Moore Street Road construction. Yes, Iweka Road, like I said, is under dualization. Then Moore Street has been asphalted. Moore Street, the area is about 300 meters from the very main market to the end of that Moore Street before Iweka Road continues. So, but the situation now is that the Moore Street has been asphalted. I believe this is the first asphalt. This is not the last one. There will be the last one that will be shiny. I don't know how they are going to do their own, but ours is to give you update. So the asphalt ends at the Moore Street. You will see it, everything you need to know. Well, that's the good part of it. Well, as we move on, you'll see other details of this video. That Ochanja roundabout that was blocked, actually nothing happened there over 3 weeks that place was blocked. You'll see everything. Yes, viewers, this is Bridget Onitsha. By the left there is Bogu Market, the president of Bogu Market. By the right is Electronics Market. Yes, we are moving down to Lagos Park. Just a very few seconds or minutes, we are going to be at Lagos Park. Then from there we move down Iweka Road by Moore Street. Well, we are still not getting it as regards, having a clean environment. In fact, I saw a video of Benin Republic, somewhere in Benin Republic, where the guy cleaning the drainage did not even allow the sand coming out from the drainage to drop on the road. He spread a mat by the side and was, scooping the sand inside the mat, something that looked like a mat. That is how it is supposed to be. Benin Republic here, a neighboring country. We are here still talking about even sweeping the sand and to cut grasses. Hi, now wow. Well, it is never, late. Anytime is still okay. Anytime you wake up, it becomes your morning. That is why we keep saying it. We are not relenting. We are not resting. We keep saying these things until something starts happening. If you ask me what government needs here is just to, there should be a truck. Probably somebody suggested it, a small truck These people will be sweeping this sand, packing it inside the truck. Gradually, the major sands will leave the whole road. If they pack them constantly and sweep it constantly, our roads will become neat. Even if the road is not that, Dubai or Taiwan standard, but a neat environment is very, very attractive. And that is why we sweep our environment, we sweep our compound, we sweep our various houses, and we bathe every morning and wash our clothes. So why are we neglecting the public system? That is a very big question mark that needs to be answered. Well, I think my good friend Sebastian Okoye, if I'm not getting it right, but I know it's Sebastian, he said in one of his comments concerning our discussion earlier that there are so much expectations from the present governor, and what people are seeing is not equal to or above their expectation. That is the problem. It seems as if the governor is not trying. Soludo is trying his best. There is improvement from when he came in. But somebody that ordered something, if you order something from the market, from Jumia or from any market, you can order something, even if abroad or anywhere. And when that thing arrives, you are looking at that thing somehow. You know that it's not what you ordered that you are seeing. That is the likely situation of what is happening to Anambra people. But in a general sense, the governor is doing well. There is improvement from where the state was, when he came in. So, but people were having Dubai and Taiwan in mind while the governor is working, but what they are seeing is not Dubai and Taiwan, actually. So, but no wala, I think it's too early to conclude though. Let's still be watching, and even if we don't get that Dubai or Taiwan, we may even get Lagos or Port Harcourt. So that is it. There is no big deal with Port Harcourt or Abuja or anything. That is the usual standard. That should be the standard of road construction. That Abuja roads you are seeing, that wonderful roads you are seeing, that is the standard. We should not go anything less than that. Yes, and for me, some roads can go with, let's manage some roads, some internal roads. Let's do them, some palliative work, but not major roads, for God's sake. Not major roads. There are roads that we call major key roads. That is what I am saying. These major key roads should be given first class attention. Gradually, those internal roads that we are managing with palliative work can just be upgraded to standard. So this idea of Anambra State is poor. Who said Anambra State is poor? If Ebonyi can do it, if other state, though Anambra has been doing it though, during Ngige did well. He used good contractors and they delivered. Actually, we are not condemning the contractors Soludo is using. After all, they are not done with their job. Until when they are done with their job, and we must have used the road for the years that he talked about, that we can now have that right to say, these people are not what we think. So, but for now, we don't have that right to just. So you see this place now, This is Ochanja Roundabout. This is Ochanja Roundabout. If you watch my previous video, which I'm going to just show a glimpse of it at this end, of this video, you see that this place was blocked. But now, just to watch and see if anything was done here. Nothing. They blocked this place for almost a month and nothing happened. It's just probably they scrape off the hard surface of the road that was bad. Just about, let's say, 50 meters of the road and they scrape off the bad surface. So why blocking this road now, causing trouble for people that are going to their market? That is the problem I'm having with some of these local people. Yeah? You want to deliver a road of 1 kilometer, you use 10 people and be working there, delaying people's time and money. You know, time is money in this state. Yeah? So that is the problem. It's not that they are not working on the road. They are working, but there is nothing significant coming out from it. You see? Okay, now, this is Iweka Road. We are still moving down. Let's get down to Moore Street. And actually, Moore Street, there is asphalt laid on it. So we are going there now to see the work done so far on Moore Street. So in our discussion, what I'm saying is that these key roads like this one should be given out to non-contractors, even if it means paying double or getting some little loan to support the job that they are doing. Government should do it, because this road deserves first-class treatment. That is the point I'm saying. We may not use first-class contractors on all the roads, but these key major roads deserve better treatment. That is the point. Well, like I said, there is an improvement. 2 steps forward, 1 step backwards. It's an improvement anyway. So, but let's keep moving and observe what we want to observe along this road, and from there we are going to call it a day. And we are done with the observation. So we are now at Moore Street Junction. Yes, this is where Iweka Road ended. This is Moore Street, but because they've asphalted it, they blocked it. So we have to turn around at the back of this place as usual. Then we will enter the Moore Street and have a good look. Yes, this road behind this Moore Street, I learned that it was Linda Ibazo, the House of Rep member, that tarred this road last year, as usual, during when campaign is about to start. And she's the one that worked on this road. You can see it's very smooth, no potholes, and it's not a bad road anyway, even though it's not up to standard. But let's keep going. If you have not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscription button, notification bell. Let's hear your view about this video. Don't forget to like it and share this video so that others can watch and see the real-time situation of the road construction going on along Iweka Road, Moore Street. Yes, so this is the Moore Street we are talking about. You can see, wow, drainage system. Well, we believe that they are still working, and they are yet to do some cleanup. Well, if you observe this asphalt that was laid, you will notice that it's not the final. This is just the first asphalt that was laid. Probably they are not going to put the second one and the last one. No, probably they are going to the last one direct. The last one they call weary. Weary is slippery, it's shining, and it does not retain rain. So that is the one that they are going to use to finalize it. Yes, the drainage is in between the walkway and the road. There's no doubt about that. But if you ask me, they would have just leveled up the drainage, use the cover to level it up with the walkway, so that the walkway will have a better space. Yes, you see that woman roasting beans and plantain. Well, I don't know how government would like to do it. Government has to sound and make a note of warning concerning these projects that they are doing. There will be no trading on any road. There will be no trading. Exposure of goods, any type of good on any road. One, the walkways are meant for pedestrian, people using leg, and not for trading and sampling of items or keeping items that you want it to dry. They are very, very wrong. I don't know, government needs a publicity towards that, so that people will not abuse government's sincere efforts in upgrading our environment. Okay? So that is a very, very good point that I just remembered. Government has to do that. And thirdly, I believe that the Ministry of Environment, or whoever that is in charge of environmental, cleaning the road, sweeping the road, cleaning the drainage system, because since we have open drainage system, we must keep them neat. I have seen an open drainage system somewhere in one of these Asian countries. I think it was India or one of these small Asian countries. But the drainage, the gutter, is very, very clean, just like the road itself. There is no sand on the road, and the gutter is very clean. So we should brace up and be ready to ensure cleanliness of this road. This road has to remain black the way it is tarred. Okay? I hope that they are making an arrangement to keep the roads neat of sand and of waste debris. I believe that there is arrangement going on. If not, they should start making arrangements of that, both the old roads and the new ones that are being constructed. So that is the point that I am making. Well, this is the Mall Street. You can see it for yourself, the work that has been done on it. Like I told you, if you ask me, it should be about 300 meter stretch of a road. Well, another thing, I have said it earlier, is that the governor is doing his best, but these guys handling this road, they are very, very slow. Once at a point, it will be them as if people are complaining, they will just come and do something and they will disappear again. That is not the way. This type of key road does not deserve this kind of treatment. They should be serious with this road, bring in workers, do this road and leave this place. If not, Once December enter, even though now the market is very busy, so why disturbing the movement of people for their season? Something that they have been waiting for. This is the time for them to, make a serious turn up. Well, but I believe that they are managing. But I'm saying in the extreme case, these are the things they are supposed to do because this is a key road. That's what I'm saying. Well, let's keep going. We are moving down there to have a complete view of this road, Moore Street Road. Thank you. So like I said, they would have gotten more space if they cover the drainage with the level of that walkway. Would have just level up with the walkway and the drainage system so that they will have a larger walkway in this area. But however, well, this is better than none. Let's keep going. Yes, another thing that the management of this area is supposed to look into together with the government is for them to assure government on how to keep this market environment very, very clean. People will just pack rubbish from their various marketplaces and come and dump it on the road. Is that how we are going to continue? And this is exactly what is happening. So we don't need to continue that way. I hope that there is plan towards all this, rubbish thing that will wipe away all this rubbish behavior. Let there be plans with the market management, with the this environment, Anambra State as a whole. Let there be task force and every other thing to checkmate this kind of, littering the environment. That is the way it is done. So you can see we are still moving down the Moore Street. You can see this one, carry carton, block the walkway. All these things should not be allowed to be. The walkway is meant for pedestrians, people using leg to walk, and not to spray pepper, to spray gari or carton, anything. That is a very, very wrong way of using this walkway. So nothing should disturb anybody from using the walkway. Walkway is for continuous movement. There is no stoppage on the walkway. Yes, like I said, nothing should be dropped on the walkway, and nothing should be very close to the walkway. Something that is dangerous is not supposed to be close to the walkway. Okay? Something that you can hit your leg and get yourself injured, or maybe something that can just fall and injure the person, shouldn't be placed close to the walkway. That's why all these shanties are supposed to be removed, honestly speaking, so that the whole structure, the building itself, remains. If you have goods, you leave it inside your shop, somebody will come in to see your goods, and not using it to block people that are, trekking to buy their items from the market. All right. So we are going to have a river's view from that place we come out from. Probably you can watch well at that Ochanja roundabout that was blocked for about a month. If you see any significant thing that happened there. But that time you see machine, you see the excavators, they parked there. Well, I don't know how they do their own, but I'm going to attach that some part of the last video so that you can see for yourself if that's the level of difference of what happened there and now. Also, you can still watch that more straight, how it was looking like before now. The quality needs to be tripled because of the heavy duty vehicles that pass this road to go and deliver goods in the market. So this is the roundabout, or Ochanja roundabout I was talking about, that needs a flyover. If you take left here, you are going down to 6th Avenue. The 6th Avenue that is under construction now. If you take left now, you are going down to 6th Avenue. So, but we are going to move down that 6th Avenue side, but we are not going to move into that road properly because the Ochanja roundabout is now blocked. For your information, you cannot pass through Ochanja roundabout as if you are going to Modobello and main market. So we have now diverted through the back to reconnect the Iweka road. That is what we just did, because the Iweka road is now blocked at Ochanja roundabout because of the ongoing construction work that is going on there. So now we have resurfaced at Iweka road. Just gradually we will be on Iweka road. Yes, this is Iweka road. We have reconnected back. So we had a U-turn shape movement. So this is Iweka road. We are back. So, but let's go down to that Ochanja roundabout and see what that place looks like and what is blocking that axis. So this is the place that was blocked at Ochanja roundabout. You can see what is happening here. Some excavation work is going on. Some excavation work is going on. So we are going back to continue our movements, but we just want to be sure what is happening there. So right now we are at Modebello junction, Modebello by Iweka. So this is where the dualization will end at this Modebello. So, but we are moving straight to main market. Main market is not far from here. You can observe that from here down the road is a bit narrow. So it is not wise to go on dualization here, except if government wants to destroy so many people's property. So this place will be, a normal carriageway. It's not going to be dualized. So let's keep going. So now we have approached the area that the vehicle cannot move beyond. So, but we are going to move into there to give you the details view of that place. So you can see the company's name that is handling this one. They say the ZCC. The other one at Niger Street is Tech. So all these companies, they look alike, but with different names. I don't know. But what we are after is to deliver something solid and something nice. That's what people need. It doesn't matter who does the job. What matters is to deliver. Like I always say, let these companies that are not known, use this opportunity to showcase themselves. Do a nice work and a wonderful work. I believe if our people, they are given that opportunity and well equipped to do this job, they can perform as well as Julius Berger, as well as RCC and the likes. That is the thing. It's all about determination and doing the right thing. There's no big deal about it. So we are still moving and we are looking at the environment to see what it looks like. Well, we have, as usual, open drainage. I don't know if it looks like it's going to have a walkway, but the drainage system, well, maybe they are going to cover it. Let's see how it goes. Open drainage systems breed mosquitoes. It smells bad odor and it breeds mosquitoes. So, but, well, let's see what happens. All we can do is to be giving you updates as and when due. And please try to do your own part. It is vital that both of us benefit and we both of us move ahead. That is what we are talking about. So we have taken the pains to be updating you guys, and that is our joy, that we are updating you. So please try to do your own parts. Thank you as you do that. So we are right there at Awka Street. This is Awka Street. We are not yet inside main market. This is just some of these streets that looks like the main market. But they have a heavy trading activities that are going on around here, but the main market is still inside. That is it. So let's keep moving and explore the area. Thank you. Don't forget to drop your comment. So let's hear from you what you see about this video, the assessments and the whole lot of them. Thank you. Let's keep going. We are having a reverse view of where we came from. From there, we will cover some other areas that we did not cover as we are coming. Well, you can see the situation of this place, and we hope that these people, they speed up their work. If you ask me, I don't know what you observed, but there are some little changes, but I expect to see more than this, being that this road is very strategic. There is no need for delay, and we know the period we are now. So these people need to speed up their work. I don't know what is delaying them. But however, all I know that there is improvement, but their speed is not, commendable. I don't know what is the problem, whether it's finance or not. But what I'm seeing is what I'm saying. Until I hear from you what you think about the video that you've watched, you can as well check our previous post on this particular road, one of our posts like 3 weeks ago. You can check to see the difference, because we are not going to bring that one to join this video. We are leaving this one to stand alone, so that you can just watch it and end it here. But if you are interested to know what this road looks like the other time, you can check about a month ago. So I just imagine if it were companies like Beggar. I keep talking about Beggar because these are the companies that knows what they are doing. A space of 2 weeks, you see wonders. Space of 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, they have gone far. But well, let's take what we are seeing. Well, we keep moving down the Ochanja Roundabout to still have a reverse view of where we are coming from. So we keep moving towards Ochanja Market side.